best of everything. I'm looking at the FlePow 1625 watt 13 amp 6 outlet surge power protector with 6 USB charging ports plus one 8-pin retractable cable for iPhone, one 8-pin or one retractable USB 2B micro retractable cable. Let's take a look at it. Extra goodies. Pretty strip. And an instruction book. Cool. So, the FlePow. Well, these are 6 standard US 120 volt AC outlets, and we have 6 USB outlets. For standard, USB 2 at 1 amp, and 2 high power at USB 3s 2.4 amp, and a switch. I like that. Let's put this baby. I think it's a cheap, crappy dollar strip of work. Yeah, we have lights. Okay, our little freebies. This is the USB 2A, USB 2B micro, retractable. We'll keep that out of trouble, and we have one for Apple Lightning. Same. And our power strip. The model number on this is a YA30WSL-6AU6U, 13 amp, 125 volts, 1625 watts. The USB output is 5 volt. With 6 outputs, 5 at 2.4 and 4 at 1 amp. For a maximum total of 6 amps. Not bad. So, this nice little power strip will eventually wind up in my kitchen on the little microwave cart building in the garage. Microwave itself, being the high energy device, will be separate, but this will be up on the work counter for additional add-ins like electric carving knives. If I ever get one, a magnetic hot plate, induction hot plate. I hate to say burner because it has nothing to do with burning. Standard given. Yeah, that's nice little power strip, which does have over voltage protection. Will be right there in the top of it. So panic button. Neon light here. If it takes a zap, you'll know it because the neon light will start to flicker. Use the microwave and electronic items more and more lately. And you need a good power source. This will work. I'm going to get another one of these and put it on the kitchen cabinet. Handle the blenders and mixers and stuff from that end of the kitchen world from FlePow. Get one. That is good stuff. I like that.